IELTS speaking is a test of your English language proficiency, and this is designed to assess the ability of your speaking and communicating effectively in English. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to English with Zafar. In today's video, I would like to share with you some typical tips and tricks that if you apply to your English, of course, you're gonna have to make better marks during the IELTS speaking test. Of course, these are so powerful tips that I'm going to share with you in this part of the video. If you are doing the IELTS speaking test, this is the best place to improve it and score better. So let's get started explaining each step. The first step is to improve your English vocabulary. If you want to score better at doing a speaking test, you're gonna have to improve your English vocabulary. You're gonna have to start working on improving your English vocabulary. So how you can do this? Here's the tip. The first way you can improve your English speaking vocabulary for the IELTS speaking test is reading books, articles, magazines, newspapers, whatever you have, you're gonna have to read them, write down the words that you don't know their meaning, underline the words, then go to the dictionary or to Google. It will have to translate it into your own language, then memorize that word, use that word in the sentences. You're gonna have to master it, and in this way you can improve your English vocabulary. You can also improve your English vocabulary using some typical apps. Of course, these are available on Play Store. You can download them and use them to improve your English vocabulary with. So I'm gonna just have to mention some of the apps that you can use to improve your uh, vocabulary with for the IELTS speaking test is Quizlet. Of course, this is the best app you can improve your vocabulary with. The second one is the Duolingo. Of course, you can also improve your vocabulary with the help of this app. The third one is the Memrise. This app can also help you improve your English vocabulary. Here is the second tip, which is practice English speaking. The more you practice, the more you become comfortable with the language. Try to speak every single day. If it's just for a few minutes, but you're gonna have to practice English speaking out. Of course, there are several methods that you can use to practice your English speaking with. If you don't really know which method to use, I'm gonna just put down in the description box below the link of my video I have uploaded on YouTube, how to practice English speaking skills. Check that video, will help you how to do so about speaking practice. My third step is to focus on pronunciation. Try to work on your pronunciation. Try to sound more natural, comfortable like a native English speaker if you'd like to score better at IELTS speaking test. Of course, there are several methods that you can use to pronounce words correctly. You can use apps like dictionaries, Duolingo, Babbel, different apps that can help you improve your pronunciation. If not, I have a playlist. You can just check it out. I'm just going to put its description box. You can just click on the description box below. Go to that playlist. I have several videos uploaded on how to pronounce words in the way native English speakers pronounce, and how to improve your natural fluency and speak naturally with the accent. Try to check it out. The next helpful tip is to start answering to the simple questions. The IELTS speaking test applies a format that you're gonna have to understand which questions are to be asked. You're gonna have to get familiar with the format of the IELTS speaking test. Try to have access to the sample questions that are to be asked in the IELTS speaking test. And try to answer those questions, recording yourself. Try to record your voice. Then, after you did it, then listen to your answer, that how you did it, and try to improve the areas where you have the weakness, where you feel yourself weak. Try to improve those areas. Before I jump into the fifth or the last step, please, if you are new to this channel, English with Zafar Zaid, make sure right now to subscribe to it. Click on the bell to notify to this channel and receive such helpful content. I upload videos on how to improve your English, whether it's English fluency, pronunciation, speaking, writing, reading, grammar, whatever it is, you can check it out here. So the last tip is to get feedback. Try to seek feedback from a qualified English teacher or someone who can speak English fluently, who can guide you, who can show you the guidance that how to score better at IELTS speaking tests. And also that person will have to recognize the areas where you need to improve. You're gonna have to start working on those areas to improve it, and this can help you score better and do better at IELTS speaking tests. Well, thank you guys. These were my 5 helpful tips that I shared with you in this video on how to score better at IELTS speaking tests. If you would like to do the IELTS speaking test, if you don't really know what to do, of course, these tips can help you the most to score better of a band of 9, of course, applying these steps. Also, share this video with your friends who is going to take the IELTS speaking test. Of course, will help anyone who really wants to score better. These are the powerful tips, the helpful tips that you can ever apply to your speaking and score better at a speaking test. Well, thank you guys. That's it for this video. Hopefully this is a helpful video for you and you've learned a lot from this video. I will see you in my next coming video. Bye.